The centre is likely to come up with a new toy policy with a potential outlay of around rupees 5,000 crore very soon. And in the same direction, the Ministry of Commerce held a very important meeting with the key stakeholders, representatives from the Toy Association of India, from BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, DPIIT, MSME Ministry and the officials from the Commerce Ministry. They were a part of this important meeting. What we are picking up from our sources that the draft of the new toy policy is likely to come up in next 3 months. And with this new toy policy, the government intends to boost domestic manufacturing, also to support the MSME sector, and the larger purpose is also to increase the toys export tenfold as of now. So this toy industry, which is having an industry size of around $2.9 billion, government is targeting to increase the industry size to beyond $5 billion in next 5 years by around 2030. And in the same direction, the new toy policy is likely to offer many benefits to the toy industry. For example, setting up of a toy cluster. This policy will help to generate more sort of employment. Recently, government announced the employment incentive scheme. So this scheme is going to support the toy industry as well. In addition to this, a couple of other benefits will also be provided, and state government support has also been sought for the new toy policy. So overall, the new toy policy is on the card, and with this, government understands that this will help to take the Indian toys on a global scale.